Is your Mac feeling slow, laggy, or just not as fast as it used to be? What if I told you there is one simple setting that can instantly make it feel faster? No apps, no downloads, no stress. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you the exact switch you need to turn on. And trust me, you'll notice the difference immediately. But before we dive in, if you are new to the channel, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's fix your Mac right now. So before we get started, if you want to follow along with the tutorial but you don't have MacBook, you can watch this video on how to install Mac OS in a virtual machine, okay? That is the step-by-step approach. It's going to show you how to install Mac from start to finish, okay? So now to get started, I'm going to open my virtual machine which contains the Mac. So to speed up your Mac OS, you are going to click on the Apple icon here, and then we go to System Preferences. In the newer versions of Mac is System Settings, okay? So you are going to click on that. And then at the System Preferences, you are going to click on Accessibility. So at the Accessibility, we are going to click on Display. So now we are going to reduce motion, okay? And what these settings does is it reduces animations, making your Mac feel faster and more responsive immediately, okay? You can also choose to reduce transparency, okay? And what this does is it reduces visual effect and speed up performances, especially on older Mac, okay? So these are the two settings you have to turn on to make your Mac boost or to speed up your Mac, okay? So this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.